We're tasked with designing an automated testing pipeline for an Amazon Bedrock application. The goal is to evaluate frequent foundation model updates against a standard dataset of 1,000 historical prompts. We need to check for regression, toxicity, and tone shifts before a production rollout. The core requirement is to ensure this process is fully automated with minimal human intervention. Let's look at the options. Option A, use Amazon SageMaker Model Monitor to analyze live production inputs and examine drift indicators. Option B, set up an AWS step functions workflow triggered by model releases to execute an Amazon Bedrock automated evaluation job, check metrics against thresholds, and update API gateway routing. Option C, implement an Amazon Event Bridge rule that triggers a Lambda function to sample logs and query the new model, then email results for manual sign-off. Option D, employ AWS Code Pipeline to push the new model into a shadow deployment and use AWS CloudTrail to intercept and drop toxic outputs. I believe the correct answer is option B. This approach is superior because it leverages Amazon Bedrock's native automated evaluation capabilities within an orchestrated workflow. By using AWS step functions, you can automate the execution of these evaluations against your predefined dataset of historical prompts. Once the metrics are generated, the workflow can programmatically validate them against your thresholds and trigger the deployment update via API gateway, keeping human involvement to an absolute minimum. Regarding the other choices, option A uses SageMaker Model Monitor, which focuses on data drift rather than standard model evaluation. Option C is incorrect because it requires manual review and sign-off, which fails the automation requirement. Finally, option D is incorrect because AWS CloudTrail is an audit and logging tool. It cannot actively intercept or block traffic in real time. For exam purposes, remember that native service capabilities should always be prioritized over complex custom integrations.